Look here. Look here.
Give him eye sewing?
Yeah, I tried the other day.
They're loving it. Look at all the wrinkles on his head.
He has to grow into his wrinkles.
It's funny. How many did you get?
He's waiting.
He's so awkward. He's so big and he's cold.
Well, you should see his belly. It's all wrinkled. When we first got him, I thought he was a Shar-Pei or a bloodhound. If he didn't have like the hair, he looked like a bloodhound.
Yes.
His eyes were barely open, but they were open because the skin just where he's got a big block head.
Yeah.
So he looks like an English lab.
Look at him.
Or
He
British.
can't get out.
Oh, he can get out.
Yeah?
If he wants to, yeah.
It might feel good.
It might. He might sit down. We had him in the pool. We had dog races yesterday.
Did they wear each other out today yet?
Well, he dumped his whole entire head. You come out. He dumped his entire head under the water first. Here, I'll get it.
He was stuck.
Oh God, they're so cute. They are. Come on, boys. Boy and girl. Come on, Sophie.
We gotta feed them P-I-N-N-E-R. That's what's going on here.
Anton.
Jeremy has decided that Sophie and Anton are going to go. We can do it. Let's do it. I don't have enough burgers, so I made veggie patties. I just made up 10 hamburgers with peanut butter. So I have veggie burgers. I don't want burgers. Jonas probably is not eating a burger.
Rocky. Come here. Come here.
You know what? We brought our gates. Our gate would fit back. Our gate would fit there.
We used to have one.